everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install Kindle for your mobile device. So first of all, you open the Google Play Store and then you tap on the search bar and type in Kindle and tap on search. So here you can see the Amazon Kindle. You need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Kindle is essentially for the e-reader from Amazon which brings reading to your devices. The free Kindle app for Android is an excellent e-reader app that seamlessly ties to your Amazon account. You do not need to buy books. You can read the books on the Kindle app very easily. So this is how you can download and install the Kindle application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.